Ready?
Yes, I am recording. I'm not. Oh, look at that. Who's this? Hello. What is your name?
Francis.
What's the last name?
Pasqua. Francis.
She's like, Hello, my awesome makeup artist and hairstylist. How you doing, Alma?
I'm doing great so far.
Awesome. All right, cool. Hello.
What's up?
What's up?
What is your name?
Bethany.
Bethany. Awesome. What is your last name?
Farrington.
Farrington. Awesome.
British.
What is that? What is that beautiful thing you have next to you over there? What is that? Was this like a Ricoh photo?
Oh, I thought the cheeses.
Beautiful.
I thought you were talking about cheeses.
I'm just kidding. Hello.
Hi.
What is your name?
Francis.
Awesome. Oh wait, we got
Another
tocayas.
Francis.
Tocayas.
Is that
All right.
twins?
Huh?
Is Takayas twins?
Tocaya just means that you have the
Share
same. You have the same name.
Oh,
That's all. I think it's and obviously it's like a Latin thing, but I don't know. I know paisano is Italian, but we use it too.
Yeah.
For people in the same country as yourself. But I don't know if tocayo
Where I
is
came from.
probably not. I don't know. I don't know, someplace.
I've heard that before.
Tocayo, really?
Yeah.
I have to check my camera.
Isn't that a city in Mexico?
Tocayo?
I
Yeah.
like it.
I don't know.
Tecate. No, that's beer.
Tokyo?
Yeah.
Tecate.
Hello, sir. How you doing today?
Good,
I
how
think you're
are
taking
you?
photos of me. Good, good. And my camera's freaking out here because it's looking at the back
Yeah.
and it's blacking you out.
Okay, well let's not black me out.
All right.
No way.
That's like
I did, sir. This
Christmas
is beautiful
at home.
lighting right here. I love it.
Hello,
What is your name, sir?
my name's Tom.
Tom. What is your last name?
Psydoc.
Did you say your last name, by the way?
No, Verduzco.
Verduzco. Or is it Verduzco?
Verduzco.
All right, cool.
Yeah, I think I'm the only Polish person here, by the way.
Really?
Yeah.
I like that. We got a variety here. You know, Polish
Polish
descent.
Italian, actually.
We got
Mexicana.
Mexicana. A Brit. A Brit. And we got Miss Pasqua, who is of
Filipino and
Filipino and
German.
German.
Wow.
Awesome.
Yeah.
It's a good combination.
Dang, we got the cameras going already. See that? So you got a camera there, got a camera there. And then we got, oh, sweetie, you got some, I think you backed up into your, you got brown stuff on your white shirt.
Eyeshadow?
I think so. What are, well, yeah, I don't know. It could be anything, right? I don't know. It looks like you backed up into that, but anyway. And then we got Alma, who is of Mexican descent, I believe. Okay, what are you then? Spanish? Really? Cool. Awesome. Wow. Cool. Awesome. Good stuff. Random video. I will make a collection of these videos. Peace.